Welcome to the Algarve, Portugal's southern paradise, famous for its dramatic cliffs, turquoise beaches, fresh seafood, vibrant nightlife, and some of the most beautiful coastline in all of Europe. Today I'm taking you through everything you must see, eat, and experience. Let's go! First stop, Praia da Marinha, one of the most photographed beaches in the world. Golden limestone cliffs, crystal clear water, and iconic rock arches. If you come early, you can get this whole place almost to yourself. Just a short boat ride away is the legendary Benagil Cave, the Algarve de Benagil. The giant natural dome, the spotlight hole above, and the beach inside make this a must-see. One of the Algarve's most breathtaking spots, Ponta de Piedade. You can walk along cliffside trails or take a boat tour through the narrow caves. Everywhere you look, this place is insanely photogenic. Next up, the charming old town of Lagos. Cobbled streets, whitewashed houses, colorful tiles, street musicians. It's the perfect mix of history and coastal charm. Must-see streets: Rua da Barroca, Praça Luís de Camões, the Forte da Ponta da Bandeira. You cannot come to the Algarve and not try the food. This region is seafood heaven. Cataplana, seafood stew cooked in copper pot, grilled sardines, arroz de marisco, seafood rice, piri-piri chicken, pastéis de nata, fresh octopus salad, vinho verde, Algarve rosé, or local craft beers. Now we're heading to Albufeira, a lively coastal town with postcard-perfect beaches by day and wild nightlife after dark. Daytime must-see: Praia dos Pescadores, Santa Ana Church, coastal viewpoints. Nighttime: the Strip, bars, clubs, live music, neon lights. It's the party capital of the Algarve. If you want nightlife, this is where you go. Faro, the capital of the Algarve, is where to go if you love culture and history. Faro Old Town, Arco da Vila, Cathedral of Faro, the Bone Chapel, Capela dos Ossos. Yes, it's decorated with real human bones. This side of the Algarve is quieter, more authentic, and filled with traditional Portuguese charm. This natural park is considered one of Portugal's 7 wonders, a maze of lagoons, islands, flamingos, and calm beaches. Perfect for bird watching, boat tours, kayaking, island hopping to Ilha Deserta, Ilha da Culatra, or Farol. The Carvoeiro Boardwalk is one of the best sunset spots. Wood paths run along dramatic cliffs ending at Algar Seco, a cave system with natural windows looking out to the sea. Vila Moura is where the upscale nightlife happens: yachts, rooftop lounges, beach clubs, and cocktail bars. Visit local markets for handmade crafts, cork products, pottery, and Algarve olives. From world-class beaches and caves to seafood, culture, nightlife, and sunsets straight out of a dream, the Algarve is one of Europe's top destinations for a reason. If you enjoyed this Algarve travel vlog, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know where I should go next.